Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. As you saw by the title, we got like a little mystery box and two packages to unbox. So first one, let's get into the small box. This one I believe is from, no it's not. I thought it was from Hustler Hacks, but I believe the bag is. But shout out to this person for the shipping. Oh guys, we got the shipping in here is pretty nice, but based off what it is, guys, here is it's a North Carolina Michael Jordan Pop, number 74. I believe this came from a Whatnot auction. I'm not sure. They didn't leave any note or anything, so shout out to this person. Boss Cost Goodies. So shout out. I might throw them up there with, was it Magic, right? Yeah, I got Magic up there, as you all saw from that Target video. So put them here off to the side. Let's get into this one. This one is from the Hustler Hack. So again, shout out to the Hustler Hacks for with this shipping, guys. Double bag, you know, on point. You can find them here on YouTube at there's a couple stuff in here. So let's just get right into it. I already see, based off this, already looks good, guys. I believe it's a size small Lakers. You know, good sizing, very good sizing. This is a Magic Johnson, talking about Magic, and that Steelers colorway, so it's also nice. Very good. I like the size. Here we have a size XL. Woo. This one might fit me because it looks a little oversized. But this is a Shaq in the black and blue colorway. I might have to try this on and keep it. I might. I don't know if it's fit because I usually work 2X, but let me know down in the comments. Are Mitchell Ness shirts like oversized? Like kind of looks oversized, but it doesn't. Now we're just gonna have to get skinny boys. But huge come ups. These come with they are screen printed, but they come with the like logo here, as you see. So let's get into the big box, and that it sounds like shoes are in here. We're not wrong about the shoes, guys. So we got two shoes here. Here we have a size 5. So I wonder if these are gonna appeal my cousin. These are Adidas, and it's actually a kid size 5 in the Golden State colorway. As you see, some little runners. It kind of look like the Roches, but Adidas, obviously. These are Adidas Light Racer in the blue colorway, and it is kids. So like I said, kind of looks like a Roche. Everything feels like a Roche, just obviously not without the checks. But the colorway can't go wrong. These will be live. Most of everything here you see will be live on Browntown Finds, so you can find that link down below. But these are in that Golden State colorway, and with the season coming up. And last but not least, guys, we have a pair of size 10, my size, Nike GTS 97. So these obviously no box. but they are bagged. Let me open them real quick. And here we have a pair. The pair. It's kind of, I thought it was a Janowski at first, based off like the model, but it also like it has a bottom of a Van. But all this upper is like canvasy. It's got the embroidered check on the sides, both sides, on the back as well. Here on the back, on the heel, it is leather, and then this one's full embroidered. So yeah, nothing too crazy. I think the crazy piece was the two Lakers shirts. Also, basketball season being around the corner. I know the Lakers just lost yesterday, their first preseason game, but it's all good. Comeback. Lakers calling it right now. Lakers 2022-2023 world champs. Comment down below, who do you think will win? What are your predictions, so we can lock them in for the year. But this is a pretty cool shoe. Very like basic, like in the sense like there's no crazy colors, but you can wear this everywhere. With the popularity of the Panda Dunk right now, the white and the blacks, wear them all the time, anywhere, everywhere. This right here feels like a hybrid between, like I said, the Vans and a Janowski. So I'm guessing kind of like for like casual, maybe even skateboarding. I had never heard of this brand, of the model, but again, if you like them, they'll be on Browntown Finds. The link will be down below. Thank you all for watching and stay blessed.